Lesson 23. Multiply by a one-digit number. So, we need to find the product of the equation. Number 1 through 22 is basically just multiply. So, one thing is don't use a calculator, obviously, because why would you use a calculator to learn? That's not going to help you at all. And I can go over some few questions, but I'm not going to be going over all of them since it's just multiplying and it's basically the same pattern, just different numbers. So just make sure you don't make any math errors. Okay, let's start with number 1. 472 times 3. So it's easier if you just do like this. This is my way of doing it. It's just easier like this for me. Okay. And then let's see. 3 times 3 is 9, right? What's 7 times 3? 21. So we have 2 on the top. And then we have 4 times 3 is 12. And then add the 2, so 14. So the answer is 1419. And then, oh, sorry, it's 472, not 3. So it should be 1416. Number 2, 1589 times 7, which is, start with 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. And then we have a 6 on the top. Then 8 times 7, which is 56. And then 56 add a 6, which is equal to 62. And then we have 7 times 5, which is 35. And then 35 plus 6, which is equal to 41. Then lastly, we have a 7. And then add the 4, which is 11. So the answer is 11,123. Now try the rest on your own up to 22. Let's just try number 9. It just looks a little tricky because you have that 9,999. That. Okay, 4 times 5 times 9 is 45. And then we have 45 again, right? But then you add the 4 to the 45, so it should be 9 here. And then we have 9 times 5 again, which is also 45, right? And add the 4, so 9. Wait. 9. And then lastly, 9 times 5 by 45, then add the another 4, which is 49, so 49 in the front. So 995. The rest is all yours. Let's do the problem solving together. A bakery bakes 472 cupcakes every day. If they bake for 3 days, how many cupcakes do they make in total? Well, this is also just multiplication, so you're just gonna have to do 472 times 3. You can try that on your own. And then we have a warehouse stores 1,589 boxes of supplies. Each box contains 7 items. How many items are in total in the warehouse? So one box is 7 items, and of that box we have 1,589 boxes. So what do? Multiply 1,589 by 7. Easy. Once you figure out what the equation is for the word problem, it's so easy. You just calculate. That's it. It's really simple. Next, a school orders 3,210 pencils for students. Each student gets 7 pencils. How many students received pencils? So this one is a little different and tricky because they have total of 3,210 pencils and each get a 7. So you're gonna have to divide, right? So you do 3,210 divided by 7. And then you should get the number of students. Lastly, a printing company prints 9,876 flyers every day. If they print for 4 days, how many flyers do they print in total? Okay, well, each day 9,876 flyers, and they print for 4 days. So what should we do? This one is not tricky at all, so you should be able to get it. You just do 9,876 times 4. And then you should get the total number of flyers that they printed. So this one is just basic multiplication. It is a little tricky because the numbers are so big, but you should be able to do it easily if you put in the time and don't make a mistake. So good luck and thanks for watching.